Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel, everybody. Hope everybody is doing better. Okay, without wasting time, let's go live to the content that has made me come to present to you. First of all, I want to do for you the market recap and the prediction for the next week on how trends will play. Firstly, starting with the market recap for the previous week. Um, you can see the trade I took on previous week, and it was 1 to 3 risk ratio. This is enough for me, and this is enough to make me profitable, and that is the only thing that every trader wants. So let's do the recap. Okay, let's go to the higher time frames so that I can show you. Usually I do the market analysis on weekends. Then throughout the week I just look for the market to play either as how I predicted or against how I predicted. So if it will go as how I predicted, I just take the trade. And when you take trade, still as a trader, you should be able to risk it. So you don't fear to lose, because losing is a part of winning. Yeah, of course, if the trade will play, then you get your reward. Then you take your reward. If you lose the trade, it's okay. It's okay. You just but make sure that you join your trade so that you can know. I take the loss. Why I take the loss? If you'll be able to find out why you take the loss, this will be the good point for you to start moving. If you take a loss and you don't know how how you took that loss, then you are the loser, man. Try to make sure that you understand why you took the loss. Of course, this it was the profit, and I want to show you how I go about take that profit. First of all, at 4 hour time frame, I saw this. Yeah, of course, at 4 hour time frame, there was the break of structure, as you can see here. The market broke the structure. After market is broke its structure, always it comes to retest it to the support zone so that it can keep on going upward. Then on that previous week, the market keep on consolidating at the near or at the end of the week. So for myself, I said myself that when this market will come to that support zone here, you can see that support zone, then I'll take the trade. So I was waiting the market to come to this point here so that I can take the trade. Roughly yeah, as you can see here, this is a zone where I took the trade. Then let's go to the 1 hour time frame so that you can see this in detail. What triggered me to take the trade? Of course, it is my trigger that make me to take the trade. There is a bullish engulfing candles. There is a strong candle rejection from the support zone. Yeah, and there is a strong bullish or bearish candles near the support or resistance zone. So for this one, it was a support zone. And what triggered me to take the trade? It was that candle. You can see this bull candle. It shows that the market is about to do its thing. This one, boom. After I saw this candle, I was very confident on that trade, and I took the trade to perfection. So I went set about to long the position. Yeah, of course you can see here as this 1 hour candle closed, I took the trade very fast here. Then that is good. The trade paid to the perfection, and I was able to get that 1 to 3 risk reward ratio as I always want. Of course, I think everybody can see that. Yeah, of course, I took 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. Yes, to perfection. This move, as I told you, that I predicted before the week started. Let me show you on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see here, before the week starts, I had already predicted that move. So I predicted that when the market comes to that supportive zone, it will retest and trend upward. Then it will test again under this above support zone. Then it keep on pushing upward. But the market end up at the next supportive zone. So for the next week, my prediction it is simply I don't wanna waste a lot of time or a lot of my energy, or I don't wanna waste you a lot of time. But simply the market for the next week, it can dip a little bit inside or deeper inside, then it will come back upward stronger, and we can take the trade to that zone here for perfection. Of course, for me, for myself, I consider 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. That is enough for me. I don't know for you. You just take your certification level and use it. Of course, 1 to 3 is enough for me. Then before you enter this trade, in case you get a chance to enter, make sure you have solved the entry trigger before rushing into the market, because market is not your friend when you are not disciplined. If you are disciplined, you can't be the trader. This is what my prediction. Thank you guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to keep making more videos on market recap and predicting the future trends, and this is how more profitable traders will be made. Thank you guys for your listening. Ciao.